Yo, welcome back to another video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and please share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit that bell notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. The Aussie dollar. Please, let's do a replay on what happened last week. First off, from last week we had this resistance. We had this weekly resistance here, which on my last video I said price was reacting to at that moment last week. This weekly resistance around this area, this whole area. If you can break it down the daily time frame, it should be this zone, around this zone. Last week, the first video I did on the Aussie dollar outlook, my bias on needs was, I said if price was able to break and close below this resistance / support area, that price will be bearish and price will potentially fall to this area around this zone. That was my bias for last week, and that was what basically price did. The daily candlestick on the last video I did closed below it, and price, see what price did. The next candlestick was a little bit of retracement to the up, a little bit of retracement. Price opened at this area, retrace back up before falling down to this zone, to 178.91 zone, 1782.32 zone, then closing above the support. It never broke this support. What was the next candlestick? Now price did the same thing for the next day. Price never break that support, and as I said on that video, was my bias was price was going to come to that area, and we should play by ear. We should wait to see we should wait for a confirmation on what price was going to do for us to either sell or buy. Boom. The last candlestick that formed also retraced, went back up. The last, which was a Friday candlestick, went back up and melts down, but never closed below the support, which is telling us that this support still held on the gold. I feel like price is going to head to this 1763.07 level, which is a support level on the weekly time frame. I feel like price is heading to that area. So basically, since price has been like rejecting this area, like anytime it goes to that area, it rejects like three daily candlestick, rejects this whole area. Rejecting it, reject. I still feel like price is going to go down to that zone, but we'll have to play by ear though, and wait to see what price does. If we go to the hourly time frame, the 4-hour time frame, what we basically see on here is, you can see that price, the 4-hour made a resistance around this area, which price is like finding it hard to break. So we have to play by ear on this. We have to be mindful on gold, because it's on a daily support area. We have to be like careful on gold when trading gold, because price actually is on the daily support area. I have to just wait to see what price does. But I feel like price is going to retrace either back to maybe this zone, or price will just melt down and melt to this level here I had here, this 1763.07 level. That's what I feel like price is going to do. Price will just melt down to that zone, because if you go to the 2-hour time frame, the last lower high that price made on the 2-hour time frame has held. Like, price came back, melt, went back up to that zone, still melts back down, and it came back the third time and still melt back down again, which we can call a triple top. So I feel like price is still gonna is bearish on gold. Price should head to this 1763.07 level before making other move, but we'll have to be careful on it because it's on a daily support right now. Price on daily support, price closed on a daily support, so we have to like be careful when trading gold. On gold, this 1780 level is a resistance slash support level. Price reacted to this 1780.800 level, so like as a whole, this whole area is like a support level for gold. So you have to be careful, like be cautious when trading gold. And we can also see that it's this trend line. Price might, for example, price might fall to this 1780.00 level, make a wick up to maybe this 1774.95 level, and shoot back up. Like, we just have to like play by ear, be cautious when trading gold this week. This whole level is a level of support, and also on the H4 time frame, it also has a resistance which price has been reacting to. So basically, price has been stalling for 3 days around this zone. That's why you see this trade candlestick around this zone. Like, we should trade with that in mind also. Let's check what economic news that are coming up on gold. On Wednesday, core retail sales on Thursday is retail sales, and the rest news coming up on Thursday. So these are the news that are coming up on dollar that might affect the gold. So we should make our trades based on these news, the economic news that are coming out. News that come up on the USD, even though it does not affect other pairs that like the pound dollar, like the euro dollar, even though it does not affect it, it might affect the gold. So we have to be careful because there are a bunch of news coming out next week. Trade gold cautiously. Gold is volatile more than other forex pairs, but the likelihood of gold respecting market structure, I feel like it's like 70%. Like, gold will always respect market structure, no matter how, even though news come up, it might make some weeks to the upside, to the downside, but it will still respect market structure. So I just feel like you just play by ear, be careful when trading gold, because it's on support, daily support, and just use economic news to back up your trades when trading. So that's basically my bias on gold for this week. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. As I said before, please hit that bell notification to get notified when I drop a new video. Thank you and bye.